Have you ever tried an electric grill brush? This one was sent to me for my feedback, and I don't think I'm going back to a regular grill brush. In the box, you get the cordless electric grill brush, an instruction manual, a charging cord, and a polishing brush head. One feature that stood out is the adjustable brush head. You can change the angle to reach along the edges of the grill, in corners, and between grates where buildup tends to collect. It also has an adjustable splash guard, which helps reduce grease and debris from spraying back while you're cleaning. And it's amazing how much easier it makes grill cleanup. The brush has 3 speed settings, and the rotating head does most of the scrubbing for you, which saves a lot of effort. And since it's cordless and rechargeable, you don't have to worry about extension cords or being close to an outlet. Just charge it with the included USB-C cable and you're ready to go. So if you regularly grill, especially during the summer, this is one of those tools that can make cleanup much quicker and a lot less of a chore.